Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am teaching my final class of 2023. It's all about cottage gardening held at the J.C. Ralston Arboretum, and it's a combination of a PowerPoint and hands-on demonstration. I'm super excited for it. I'm hoping that we are going to be able to capture some footage to be able to share with all of you. And I also wanted to give an update here in my big front cottage garden border that we planted a few weeks ago on November 18th during the seed sale and cottage gardening demonstration. So let me turn this camera around and let you see up close and personal everything that's germinating. First, a general pan so you can get the idea of all the green that is emerging from that ground plane. It's exactly what I'm aiming for. So we've got clumps of grains. I believe we did barley in the back and wheat in the front. You can kind of tell the wheat has a thinner blade compared to the barley. I know we did spicy mixed greens all along the front, and you can see brassicas germinating. I'm also seeing some California poppies, which are low, really good front of the border plants. It's important to note this front section here has about 400 daffodils planted all the way along this curve. So when the daffodils start to emerge, all of the plants will just kind of fight it out for the space. Now in the middle to back is where we sowed the cottage garden mix and lots of poppies. And I'm feeling pretty confident, even though I don't see any true leaves yet, that all of this is larkspur because that was in the cottage garden mix. And then I also see lots of poppies. So let me walk to the other side so I can give you a better view. So it's hard to imagine that they start off so small because these will eventually be like 4 foot tall and blooming their heads off. But these are the breadseed poppies, Papaver somniferum. And there is a great stand of them all mixed throughout the back of this border. So it's sometimes hard to see with the light, but so we have got Papaver somniferums here. This one with the forked foliage is a Schultzia, and I believe those are larkspur. Again, probably a week from now, I'll be able to really say that with confidence. It really helps having the true leaves to be able to 100% identify what the plant is. My biggest weed problem in this bed is definitely common vetch, and now is a good time. I still didn't get the root. Just to come in and pull it out. We have some rain in the forecast for tomorrow, which is great. It's much needed. And I've been keeping this bed very well watered, basically watering it every day because I don't want the ground to dry out when the seedlings are at this stage. Remember, when the seedlings are so small, their roots are basically in equal proportion. And that top inch of soil can dry out daily, especially when it's warm and sunny and windy. And we have been experiencing all of that here in central North Carolina. And as you can see, I have got the Prius packed. This is my last seed sale of the year. I've got books, I've got containers to do demonstrations, and I am so excited to be doing a big cottage garden installation at the J.C. Ralston Arboretum so that people can come and visit it and see what it looks like throughout the season and then ultimately enjoy the display in the spring. Well, I will look forward to collecting some footage from today's class so I can share it with all of you. And I hope that you will be inspired to sow some seeds for a cool season cottage garden in your space.
It's the last class of 2023.
Thank you, J.C. Ralston Arboretum. And we are here at the J.C. Ralston Arboretum. We just did a big intensive class on cottage gardening. We went over an hour. So it was from 10:30 to 2. And we just planted this bed with all the awesome cottage garden stuff. So we did all 4 grains. We did turnips and daikon radish.
Clover.
We did 2 types of crimson clover. We did beets. We did buckwheat.
And that's it.
We did 2 types of poppies.
And we did turnip.
We did turnips. Well, basically, we've lost track because it's been a very intensive day. But I cannot wait to share updates as all of this stuff germinates. So today is December 9th. I hope to come back January 9th and see everything fully germinated in its full leaf stage, not just cotyledon leaves. And we'll definitely continue to check in with updates. I'm sorry we didn't get to film the process. It was just a lot to do. And we had a really big class, which was so awesome. But we are going to be doing this again next week at the Cape Fear Botanic Garden. So I'm really excited to be able to, maybe I'll get that recorded. And we're gonna be doing it in the Heritage Garden, using the grains and the poppies and all the different cottage garden stuff. So I hope that you will plan to stay tuned and continue to watch the progress as all of these plants grow out this season. All right, everybody, thanks for watching.